the last date to apply for revocation of cancellation of GST registration has been extended to 30th September 2021. However, there is confusion among few taxpayers such as whether they can apply if the earlier application was pending with officer or if the appeal against rejection by officer is pending at appellate authority or if application or appeal has been rejected by officer or appellate authority. Also, whether they can apply for revocation after 30th September 2021 by obtaining approval from appropriate authority. To clarify these issues and give more clarity to taxpayers, the CBSE issued Circular number 158/14/2021-GST. So let's decode that circular in today's video. Hi everyone, I am AJ from Clear, where we offer tax complaints and other financial solutions to 400k plus growing businesses, 2000 plus large enterprises, 80k plus tax experts, and more than 6 million tax filers. To help individuals and businesses like you, we create various videos on taxes, savings, and finances. So, to keep yourself updated, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell icon. Also, good news folks, Clear is now giving away goodies to new subscribers. Please fill in the form given in the description below to claim your goodies. The revocation of cancellation of GST registration can be simply termed as reactivating cancelled GST-IN. The CBSE clarified that the due date to apply for revocation of cancellation of GST registration has been extended to 30th September 2021. However, it is to be noted that this extension is applicable only when the original due date falls between 1st March 2020 to 31st August 2021. Let's see cases in which the taxpayer can apply for revocation of cancelled GST registration. The CBSE clarified that the taxpayer could apply for revocation of cancellation of registration when a GST registration is cancelled due to violation of provisions of GST Act or the rules, or non-filing of returns for 3 quarters by a composition dealer, or non-filing of returns for 6 months by a regular taxpayer. The taxpayers whose GST registration has been cancelled can apply for revocation irrespective of status of such application. Let me tell you about the action you need to take as a taxpayer amidst the due date extension with the help of a table. Scenario 1. The taxpayer has not yet filed the application. The action would be to file an application on or before 30th September 2021. Scenario 2. The taxpayer has filed the application and it is pending with officer. In this case, no action is needed from taxpayer side. The officer shall process the application considering the extended deadline. Scenario 3. The taxpayer has filed the application but it was rejected by officer and the taxpayer has not yet filed any appeal against the rejection. Then the taxpayer has to file a fresh application on or before 30th September 2021. Scenario 4. The taxpayer has filed appeal against rejection of application by officer and it is pending at appellate authority. In this case, no action is needed from taxpayer side. However, the appellate authority shall process the appeal considering the extended deadline. Scenario 5. The earlier application of taxpayer was rejected by officer and also the appeal decision is against the taxpayer. In this case, the taxpayer can file a fresh application on or before 30th September 2021. I hope you are understanding my explanation of the CBA circular on revocation of cancellation of GST registration. If yes, please write clear in the comment section below. If not, please raise your concerns in the comment box so that we will try to clarify them. Usually, the taxpayer has to apply for revocation of cancelled GST registration within 30 days from the date of receiving cancellation order. However, earlier CBSE has inserted new provision to extend the time limit for application for revocation. As per the new provision, the additional or joint commissioner can extend the time limit by 30 days. Thereafter, the commissioner can extend the time limit by another 30 days. So, a taxpayer gets total 90 days time limit. That is, initial 30 days plus extended 60 days to apply for a revocation. In this regard, few taxpayers are concerned whether they can avail these extensions from the department from the revised deadline, that is 30th September 2021. The department has clarified the above issue as follows. Scenario 1. When the initial 30 days time limit falls between 1st March 2020 to 31st December 2020. Then the last date to apply for revocation would be 30th September 2021. Scenario 2. When the initial 30 days time limit has not lapsed as on 1st January 2021 or registration has been cancelled on or after 1st January 2021 and the entire 90 days time period has elapsed by 31st August 2021, then the last date to apply for revocation would be 30th September 2021. However, if only 60 days time period has elapsed by 31st August 2021, in scenario 2, the last date to apply for revocation would be 30th October 2021 with the approval of Commissioner after 30th September 2021. If only the initial 30 days time period has elapsed by 31st August 2021, in scenario 2, the last date to apply for revocation would be 30th October 2021 with the approval of Joint or Additional Commissioner after 30th September 2021. If he wants any further extension from 30th October 2021, he has to get approval from Commissioner and the last date would be 29th November 2021. So folks, that's it for the day. If you found this video helpful, please like and share. If you have any doubt about this topic, please mention them in the comment section below so that we'll clarify them for you. Also, as I mentioned in the beginning, Clear is now giving away goodies to new subscribers. So please fill in the form provided in the description to claim your goodies. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos and don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that we'll let you know whenever there is an update from Clear. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.